Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this project, we'll be doing this simple mixed media project. So, I'm using this vintage photo distress oxide spray and walnut stain, and I'm going to use this mixed media paper and I'm first going to spray it. I can see that it's not spraying properly, but I'm going to spray it and then spray water on the top. And just moving it around so that it spreads everywhere. Now I'm going to dry it. Now I'm going to add the stamp. This is like a text stamp. So this is from the Stampers Anonymous stamp. And I'm adding like a splatter stamp also in this. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to add some elements in this. So I'm going to trim this color and then cut it. Then add that element also in this. Then this is the coat I'm adding in the center of the project. Then I'm adding some of these leaf dye. You can even add like a leftover dyes. If you just don't throw it, you can add in these kind of projects. Then I'm going to use this dye, and I did the die cut using white cardstock, so I'm going to cut that. And I want to just see where I want to really place it. So once I decide, then I'm going to use this glue. Then I'm going to add this dye here. So I'm going to add small piece from this because I don't want it too big. So I'm just cutting it smaller. So I'm going to add the glue and adhere it. Now I'm going to see where I want this small piece, but it doesn't um feel good to use that one. So this two pieces are enough. So now I'm going to add this like a coffee mug kind of thing. It is coffee cup, I think it is. So this is a cute one. I found it in Dollar Tree store. So I thought it's the best idea to use in this project. So I'm going to add that, and then it looks a little bit plain, so I was thinking what else to add in this. Then now I'm going to splatter the distress oxide on the top. Then I'm going to dry it. Then it still looks very plain, so I thought, what else to add in this. Then I use this stickles. It's a clear stickle, so I'm adding it on the cup to give some shine. And I still thought something else to add, so I'm using this stamp. It's like a geometrical stamp, so I'm using small dots from that, and I'm going to add those dots in the background. So I'm going to add in different places and then finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.